Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I want to say a big congratulations to all Nigerians and some Asian countries, as you have been listed among the countries that are qualified for getting Google Gemini student offer for 1 year. Alright, let's get started. Let me show us the process of everything. The first thing we're going to do as usual is to sign in your email, a new email. So once you sign in, you're going to see this right here. You can see Nigeria. I am not using VPN. No use of VPN. It's totally free for Nigerians and other Asian countries. All right, so we are going to come over and verify our eligibility. So I will come over and click on verify eligibility to get this offer for good 1 year, for 12 months without paying a dime. All right, guys, so this is so amazing. So if you're a Nigerian, this is an opportunity for you. If you're a Nigerian student, so you come over, let's come over and look for our country, which is Nigeria. That is the country you are going to be going for. So if you are from other countries, maybe you are from Bangladesh, you are from Canada, you are from US, you are from all these countries, you can select your country and use. So which means now you don't need VPN anymore to get this Google Gemini for 12 months, right? So now let's come over and look for Nigeria, because that's the one we are going to be using in this video. All right, so note, look at it, I did not turn on any VPN at all because I'm in Nigeria, so it's going to work for me. So I come over and select Nigeria, and I come over and look for one school. So let me look for a school right here. Let me search for Taraba State University. And one thing I always tell people is, when you are looking for a school, make sure you always picking school that does not have any city, because you know you are not a student and you want to verify. So you are going to look for a school that does not have city, or a school that is not among the top universities in the country, right? So that's why I'm going for this school, Taraba State University. So once you are done, you come over and type in your first name and your last name, and also your date of birth. Make sure the date of birth you are using is above 8. I love using 1st January 2000. All right, so now when we are done typing that, let's come, okay, the year 2000. Then for the email section, make sure that you use email. Now let's try using an Edu email and see if it's going to work. But if Edu email does not work, we are going to use our personal email. So once you use that, then what you are going to come over next to do, so you can discover that me putting this, it's not allowing me to click on this verify student status, right? So what we are going to do is, let's come over and turn and clear this email that I just typed in right here, and type in my personal email. So that helps, and it's going to show us that verification, that is, it will allow us to know. You can see it right here as I just switched to that. So the next thing we're going to do is, before clicking on verify student status, we need to get our ID card ready before we click on verify student status. So let's come over to this next section and let's paste in the prompt for the link for the ID card generator. I'm going to paste it in the box so that you can see it and use it for yourself. All right, so let me come over and let's hold on for it to load a little bit. So after it loads, then we are going to continue and generate our ID card for free. Like, guys, this is so amazing. So once you come over, this is the interface you're going to get. You just come over and click on continue. Don't worry, I have this link already. I'm going to paste it to the description for you to use, and it's very easy and very simple. All you just do is already a ready-made template. You just come over and put all what is needed. All right, so we are going to need 3 things. We'll use 3 things. So number 1 thing is Nigerian students with blue Nigerian students picture or image with blue background. All right, so we search that and come over and look for the best picture that fits for this ID card, so that it will look so amazing. So let's come over and let me switch to image option. So once you come over and switch to image option, let's go down, let's scroll down and see the one we can use here, right here. So I'm going to keep scrolling. Let me keep scrolling let's see the one that will work properly and will work properly for this verification. Let's see, let's go down, let's go more and see which one is more perfect. All right, so I'm still looking for the one that will be more perfect for us to use. So let's keep going, let's keep going. All these ones I don't like them. All right, so I'll find one. So this lady right here, I think will be perfect. So we'll come over and download this, right, and save it to our device. Number 1 thing. Then the number 2 thing is we need a college logo, right? We need a college logo. The college logo that will be displaying on the ID card is very, very important. So now I'll come over and search for college logo. Now when you search for this college logo, you can select any of your choice. So I'll come over and download anyone, so because it does not mean anything, so you can download any one of your choice. So let me save one and let me download this right to my device. So once I'm done with that, then the next thing is we need the last thing, which is principal signature. So I'll come over and search for principal signature, which is very, very important. So let me search for it, principal signature. All right, so and also here also you can just select any signature of your choice. So then I'm just going to come over and pick this one right here. I'll download it as well and save it to my device. Now once I'm done downloading all these three things, what I'm going to do next is to come back to the ID card generator and input everything and insert everything. So once I insert everything, I put all the information and make sure that the information you are putting tallies with exact information on the share ID verification tab. So you come over here, upload everything, and let's see how it's been done. It's so easy and fast, so simple. So I've generated the ID card template already for you to make it more easier for you for usage. All right, so guys, this is so amazing, so beautiful. So if you are finding this video helpful and very educating, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on notification bell to always get amazing tips from me like this. And note, this video is for educational purpose. Like, it's for educational purpose. I'm not doing this for platform. All right, so please get that and note that, so that you will not think I'm teaching you something that is misusing the platform. So what you're going to do next is, so let's come over and insert all the information. The same information you fill from the share ID platform is the same information you're going to put right here. So our first name is David and the last name is Victor. So let's put that and make sure the class is 12. You set the class to 12. And the roll number, make sure you use any 2-digit number. You can use any 2-digit number of your choice. So let me use 65 right here. And don't forget the date of birth we use right there, which is 1st of January 2000. That's the same year, that's the same date of birth we are going to use on the ID card as well. Then the year, make sure it is 2025. Make sure it is 2025. Then that's that. Then the address line, that is the one or that will be in the bottom of the picture of the ID card, make sure it is the same school name. So the phone, mobile phone aspect, you can leave that, put any 11 digits of your choice. Then you come over and download the card straight to your device. So once you are done downloading the card, you just come over to back to your verification tab. Then you click on, make sure that the info tally together with the ID card. Then what you are going to do next is to click on verify student status. Alright, when you click on verify student status, you are going to hold on and then you add the document. Once you add the document, that is the ID card you just generated, you add the card, that is let's click on add document. Once you click on add document, it's going to show us where we are going to pick our ID card. You click on it and then you upload it right here. So once you upload it, then you click on submit. Then in few seconds it will give us a little countdown to show us that we have been verified. So boom, you see you have been successfully verified. So now what we are going to do next is to click on get students and get student offer. So you come over and click on agree. When you click on agree, you're going to come over and put in your card details. So at least this is where people used to get stuck. Once you get this, that once you get to the stage of adding your card, you don't have any issue anymore. So you can do that. For security's sake, I won't be adding any card live here, so that to save my own. So all right, so if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell, and don't forget, this is David Creative Lab. See you in the next video.